Ganyan lang ha, huwag kang naalis yan.
Yummy! You're gonna add some salt?
Ow!
What happened?
I have added some pepper.
You added some pepper, okay? But
And
you
now,
put some, that one.
I'm gonna pour.
That one. Oh, it's so hot.
I'm gonna pour the munggo.
The munggo, but it's yummy, sure.
Yeah, it's yummy. I'm gonna pour the munggo.
This look like a dot. Daddy's look like a dot.
Yeah.
It's a dot. So many dots are munggo.
Those are not dots. Those are munggo.
Munggo dots?
Beans.
Beans. Oh. Munggo beans? Munggo beans? Oh, okay. And you're gonna add some. What are you gonna add?
I want it with the lemongrass.
A lemongrass?
Lemon.
Oh, a lemon, but it tastes like lemon. I hear you. Lemongrass. It tastes like lemon.
Lemongrass. Because the reason why I want to put some lemongrass is because I want to make this dish healthy for the body. And I put
so yummy.
many onions.
Many onions?
Tomatoes, a little of ginger, and more garlic.
Mommy sliced the new onion in the tomato and the garlic.
Yes, righty.
But, Mommy...
And now, Mommy is getting some malunggay leaves from our garden.
Yeah, they're outside.
Yes.
And... Wait a second. It's gonna be like... Whoa! Yummy!
I'm going to lower the fire.
Yeah, you're gonna lower it. There we go. And look. Our yummy food.
Yeah.
Smell good. Oh, it's a smoke. Smoke.
Don't remove the camera from that, okay? Just concentrate on this.
It's so many smoke because the smoke is over the camera. Because so many smoke.
Don't get too near to the dish, to the pan, because you might break the camera.
That one is onion. Look at the onion. That's onion.
Yes.
That smells good.
Yes, of course. It smells good because it has lemongrass. I
Yummy.
like this kind of dish because it's not bad for our body. It's healthy.
Yeah, not bad
I like it with lemongrass because lemongrass
not bad
is good for our health.
Not bad our tummy. Just good our tummy because it's yummy. Look at the lemongrass. Look at the ones. Is that lemongrass or just a grass?
That's lemongrass, dear.
I hear you. It's a lemongrass. It tastes like
And Mommy
lemon.
will put some.
Let me see Mommy's grass.
No.
Okay.
Mommy got some malunggay.
It looks like it's dancing.
Yeah, we're gonna put all of this into that dish.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go now. Look at the grass lemon is cooking now.
Yes.
You're gonna... Oh no. Daddy, what is that?
And we're going to put some
Wow.
alugbati. You say alugbati.
We're gonna put some alubati. We're gonna put Daddy put alubati. Dad put alubati.
Yeah. To make it more healthy.
Yeah, that's so healthy and yummy.
Yeah. So, kailangan palagi tayong kain healthy, right?
Yeah, that one, it's so yummy, and this one the fire.
So I think we need water.
You need water, okay? I'm thirsty.
I think we need water. Water.
I want water.
We need to put some water because look at this. It needs
Here is
water.
the water. Here is the water.
Yeah,
This is the water.
But not the Bacari. We just transfer the water
But
here.
we don't drink it. It's for cooking. We don't put it. And that water is fitting there. On the cooking.
Yummy.
The water fit in the
Just
cooking,
concentrate on that
then we stir it.
Concentrate on the video, dear.
Like that. Like that to cook? Okay. Mommy, what? I'm thirsty.
Wait.
Ta-da! It's going to finish now.
Not yet.
Not yet, okay. So many gamit. So, that it I like. But I like that one. We in our house and we cooking there. And this is yummy. Look. Ooh, Daddy likes it.
Yes, I love it. Not just likes it, but I really love this dish. Look,
Yeah.
I can see the lemongrass.
Where? There?
Here.
Yeah, wow. Cook it. Cook it. Cook it now. The lemongrass is going to cook. Come on. Come on. Oh, no. Come on.
Baka mabangga mo.
Come on. Come on. Here we go. And look at the fire is over here. And here's our cooking.
Don't get too near.
Okay.
Don't get too near it.
Look at the lemongrass.
alugbati. It's so healthy.
Yeah. I sure.
And also the lemongrass and the beans.
I know going
Together
to
with
picture
too
this.
many
This is a picture.
too many tomatoes, onions, and a little bit of ginger. I like it with ginger as well because, you know, ginger is good for our throat.
Yeah.
As well as those garlic. So
Yeah,
we put
sure.
some garlic here.
Yeah, it's me. A cooking.
Yes.
Look at the words. It's the grass. Lemon.
Can you smell the lemongrass already?
No, but the fire is going to. But the smoke is going to fire me. But I don't want to smell it. But you're always cooking. Yummy.
Just focus on that one.
Yummy.
I'm waiting
I'm
for,
sure it's
I'm
gonna
waiting
be
for
like
malunggay.
a munggay.
Yeah, I'm waiting for malunggay.
A munggay. Munggay. Munggay.
Malunggay.
Malunggay. Malunggay.
Huwag mo masyadong guluhin yung video.
Malunggay. Malunggay. We have a malunggay and I sure it's good. I hold it nice, guys. There you go. There you go. Boop. And what's gonna show you guys?
What's good about this is we have so many vegetables in our garden, like for example the malunggay
Yeah.
and the alugbati and
Yeah, it's so yummy.
some other vegetables like chilies, tomatoes.
And chilies are the one for kids because kids are spicy for chilies. Do you like chilies? I think I don't want this. It's so spicy. You want?
I like chilies.
I cannot give you one chili, but just two. Okay? You're gonna eat it. I think.
We're gonna let it boil for a while.
Yeah. What's a minute?
Just 2 to
Oh,
3
ouch.
minutes.
Just 3 minutes to boil the veggie. I like my veggie. Daddy, can you like? Daddy, I like
Now
broccoli.
we're going to put the
Leaves on.
malunggay.
Let's put the malunggay. Oh no! It doesn't get push.
I
Gotta
like
push it. Take it away.
I like many of malunggay.
It look like leaves.
I like many malunggay.
Daddy, it look like
I like
leaves.
to
Hey,
put
listen,
more
listen.
malunggay
Hey,
in.
hey, listen. It look like leaves.
Those are leaves.
Yeah, it look like leaves, Dad.
Be careful with the...
And mommy put some
Yeah, we're going to put some nor just to
nor. That's a.
flavor the dish.
It look like a chocolate. Look, let me video. It look like a chocolate.
Just one. It's fine.
It look like a chocolate, and it's gonna be yummy. And mommy.
It's not chocolate. It's beef broth.
Beef was. It do
Beef
not
cube.
look like. It do not look like a chocolate. Here's a look like a beef broth. Ooh, langgam.
Take a little bit.
Mmm.
Baka maano mo yung...
Yummy. Yups, go nasty.
I think we're finished now.
Yeah, we finished to cook and
We're finished cooking. And let's
And
put a
we-
little bit more of water.
now let's put of more water and let's cook it.
A bit of pepper.
Can you get it? Can you? Oh,
Okay?
okay. Okay, fine.
And what?
And we're gonna stir it.
No. Don't touch anything, my dear.
Look at the grass lemon.
I think we're ready to eat.
Ouch! Ah!
I think we're ready to eat.
Yeah. Oh my God, fly.
Not
Can
yet.
you fly? Kita.
Put some salt.
Mommy put some salt.
Wow. It tastes like lemongrass, beans, and ginger. So healthy.
This look like taste lemon.
Mm.
Yeah, I
Yummy. Try this, guys. So yummy. Bye.
Try this, guys, because this is so yummy. Bye.